Hello everyone, welcome to Coins and Stamps to Watch. We have an old coin from the South African Republic. In the South African Republic, it was from the 1874 up to 1902 era. This coin is a 1 penny coin, and the years it were minted were from 1892 up to 1898. And this coin is from 1898, as we can see here at the reverse side of the coin. But first, I want to tell you that this coin is a bronze coin. It has the weight of 9.4 grams, diameter 30.8 millimeters. The thickness is 1.8 millimeters, and we can see the edge is smooth. So first we go to the reverse side of the coin. This is the bearded portrait of President Johannes Paulus Kruger, and he's facing the left. You can see the legends in an abridged legend of South Afrikaans Republic, or the translation of South African Republic. Its engraver is Otto Schultz. First, Johannes Paulus Kruger were a prominent Boer leader against the British rule, and he was the president of the South African Republic from 1883 up to 1902, and it was later became the Transvaal colony under the British rule, and then the Transvaal province of the Union of South Africa. It was minted, or the mints this coin were made were from Berlin and in Pretoria, South Africa. On the reverse side of the coin, we can see the central arms of the South African Republic within the design, and the denomination 1 penny up above, and the date 1898. They have a low mintage this coin. For the few years that it were minted in 1892, they minted 83,000 only with 6 proof coin. 1893 is only 11,000. The 1894 one was 182,000, and this coin from 1898 263,000. So it is a very low mintage coins, and absolutely it is a rare one, eh? With those vintage, not much probably lying around now. So regarding the value, I always go through to ngc.com. They have a nice value actually. It says it is from $1 up to $350 for the MS65 or the uncirculated ones with a high grade. So this is a circulated coin, but it still is, it have a, a very nice nice grade. But I have another one actually. So this one is I think this one is uncirculated, so this one have a good value. You can see, yeah, nice one, eh? So I have two among the 260,000 plus vintage of these coins. Nice one. So yeah, please do like and subscribe my channel. Click on the notification settings. See my playlist for more videos of coins and stamps. Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good day.